Students, join with me for 59th class. So let us go for solving problems on this chapter. So that relations. First question, the relation R 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. 1, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. 1, 3 is the relation R on the set A, on the set A equals 1, 2, 3, on the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 is not symmetric. Is not symmetric. Why? Is not symmetric. Why? So one more question, students. They are going to set one more question of this type. Here the question is the relation R is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 on the set A. This relation it is defined on the set A is not symmetric. Why it is not symmetric? Solution. So there are so many failed subjects in this. AB is present, no PA. AB is present, no PA. AB is present, no PA. Right? It is enough if we write one failed subject. To say it is not symmetric, it is enough if we write one failed subject. You write that 1, 2 belongs to R, but 2, 1 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Symmetric means it should contain both AB and BA. A relation R which contains both AB and BA is called symmetric relation. Right? 1, 2. So you can give other examples also. We have two more failed subjects. 2, 3 present, 3, 2 not present. 1, 3 present, 3, 1 not present. It is enough if we give any one example, because failed in one subject means completely failed. You just pick and show one failed subject. To say it is not symmetric, not reflexive, not transitive. You pick one failed subject from that and show that. It is enough for that. I hope you understood. One more question, friends. Right. Next one more question. The relation R on the set A, R on the set A, 1, 2, 3, defined by R is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 is not reflexive. Why? Is not reflexive. Why? Is it reflexive relation? No. This relation is not reflexive. Why it is not reflexive? 1, 1 is present, 2, 2 is present, but 3, 3 not present. I have given so many examples. Carefully observe. Practice well. Otherwise, you find it difficult to understand this chapter. Practicing is important. When we say R as reflexive, if R contains all 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, all irಬೇಕು. Because failed in one subject means completely failed, right? So R is solution 3, 3 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Is that R reflexive? No, not reflexive. Is it transitive? Yes. AB, BC, AC. But that question is not asked. You need not to worry about, you need not to bother about unnecessary things. ಬೇಡದಿರೋದು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನೋ you just focus on that. It is enough for that. Okay. Let us go for writing one more question. The relation R on the set A 1, 2, 3. The relation R on the set A 1, 2, 3 defined by so R equals 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2 is not transitive. Why? Is not transitive. Why? Solution. Now look at this. Carefully check. You check one by one. First you check one by one. You will get it. A, B. Transitive means, so when we say R is transitive, if R contains A, B, B, C, A, C. If R contains A, B, B, C, A, C. Let us go for checking that. A, B. So tell me related B, C for this. Tell me B, C related to this. Here. A, B, B, C. We have A, C. No problem. Go for one more element. A, B. Tell me B, C for this. 3, 2. We are getting A, B, B, C, A, C. How much is A, C? 2, 2. We are getting one failed subject. One failed subject is enough to say it is completely failed. Right? Once we get, if we get failed subject, you need not to go for checking the other elements. Right? So I take that. So 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2. A, B, B, C belongs to R. A, B, B, C. A, B, B, C belongs to R. But AC, tell me how much is AC? 2, 2, 2, 2 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Right? So students, I hope you understood this one more question. Now, so remember this point. Remember this. Remember the following. Use to check reflexive. Only to check reflexive. You use so these elements AA, BB, CC, so on. You use these elements only to check reflexive. AA, BB, CC. Carefully observe. You use these elements only to check reflexive relation for to check symmetric and transitive. Don't use AA, BB, CC, so on. Just when we are checking, so just to check reflexive, only for reflexive you use these elements AA, BB, CC related to only reflexive relation. AA, BB, CC, this type of elements related to only reflexive relation. Except reflexive, for symmetric and transitive, don't use these things. If you go for using these elements to check transitive and symmetric, it's nothing but wasting of your time. Simply you waste your time. So you use these elements only to check reflexive. Reflexive check ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Symmetric to transitive ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it wastes your time. Simply it kills your time, that's all. Okay, I hope you understood this. Reflexive ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೇರೆದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Symmetric to transitive ಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. Right? Okay, let us go for solving problems on this. First question, show that the relation are in the set 1, 2, 3, in the set 1, 2, 3, given by R equals 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, is reflexive, but neither symmetric nor transitive, neither symmetric nor transitive. It is look at the given question, students. So the relation R on the set A is given like this. It is given in this form. It is asked to check, it is asked to prove this relation. It is only reflexive relation. It is this relation R is neither symmetric nor transitive. This relation, it is only reflexive. This relation becomes only reflexive, but it is neither. It won't become symmetric and it will not become transitive. Let us go for checking that. Show that. Is this relation a reflexive relation? Yes. Why it is reflexive relation? It contains 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Right? Okay. So right. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 belongs to R. Therefore, that implies R is reflexive. Is this relation R symmetric? When we say R is symmetric, if it contains both AB and BA, symmetric AB, BA, transitive AB, BC, AC, AB, BC, AC. Let us check. Is this symmetric? Symmetric. I told you that remember the following. While checking symmetric and transitive, don't consider these elements. While checking symmetric and transitive, don't consider these elements. If we consider these elements, it wastes our time. It's nothing but wasting of our time. Right? You come to this 1, 2, AB present. ಇದು ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ. ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. AB ಇದೆ, BA ಇದೆ. AB ಇದೆ, BA ಇದೆ. BA ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? That itself is BA. AB, if I take this as AB, BA is also that itself is BA. Right? Right. If I take this as AB, that itself becomes what? BA. If I take AB, that itself becomes BA. That is the reason why I am asking not to consider these elements for symmetric and transitive. Simply it wastes your time. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇವನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ AB ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ BA? ನೋ. 1, 2 ಇದೆ, 2, 1 ಇಲ್ಲ. Failed in one subject means completely failed. Symmetric or not symmetric? Not symmetric. So right, 1, 2 belongs to R, but 2, 1 does not belongs to R. 1 and 2 are related, but 2 and 1 are not related. Therefore, that implies R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Is that R transitive? Let us check. I told in the beginning. To check transitive, again don't consider these three. These three elements should be used to check only reflexive relation. Come to this transitive. AB, BC. AB, BC. Clearly B, matching. B should match. AB, BC. Does it contain AC? No, 1, 3. It's not having AC. AC ಇಲ್ಲ, 1, 3 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಗ ಹುಡುಕಿ. Is it transitive or not transitive? Not transitive. Failed in one subject means complete. One failed subject ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ತಲೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. So I write that 1, 2, 2, 3 belongs to R, but 1, 3 does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not transitive. R is not transitive. I hope you understood this question, students. Let's go for solving one more. Let us solve one more. Show that the relation. Next question. Show that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 given by R equals 1, 2, 2, 1 is symmetric, but neither reflexive nor transitive. One more, two more questions, friends. Here the question, here it is asked to show, here it is asked to prove this relation R is symmetric. This relation R becomes symmetric, but it won't become neither reflexive nor transitive. Let us go for that. Solution. Is it reflexive relation, students? Is it reflexive? When we say R is reflexive, if R contains, you go for set. When we say R is reflexive, if it contains 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, set important. Set till then you R ಬರೆಯಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So you cannot define. That relation cannot be defined without family. Family means set. Whatever the relation we define, having set is must. Set ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೀತೀರ ಆರು? ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾವು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, 1 ನ 2 ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 1 ಗೆ. ಅದು ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ. 1, 2 belongs to R means 1 and 2 are related. I explained that in the beginning classes itself. Basics important, right? Let us go for is symmetric. Is it symmetric? Yes. Why it is symmetric? R contains both AB and A. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಮೂರೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಮೂರು ಹೇಳಿ? ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅದೇ ಕತೆ, ರೈಟ್? Is it reflexive? No, it's not reflexive. Why it is not reflexive? It's not containing 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Right, go for that. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 does not belongs to R. Right? Therefore, R is not reflexive. That implies R is not reflexive. Is that R symmetric? Yes, R is symmetric. 1, 2 belongs to R. AB is in R. That implies BA belongs to R. R is containing both AB as well as BA. R and AB, BA ಎರಡು ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ symmetric. That implies R is symmetric. Is that R transitive? Let me check. R is neither transitive. It is asked to check R is neither transitive. 1, 2, 2, 1 belongs to R. A, B, B, C belongs to R. But take me AC from this. 1, 1 does not belongs to R. Is that R transitive? No, it is not transitive. Failed in one subject. We have failed subject. Therefore, R is not transitive. R is not transitive. So R is not transitive. I hope you understood, students. So practice these questions well. You shall solve so more questions in the next class. Thank you.